It's fire. Unpacking slang in English. Hello, and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a hot English phrase that's been spreading like, well, fire. If you've heard someone say, it's fire, and found yourself puzzled, you're in the right place. We're about to unpack what this means, why it's used, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's heat things up and get started. The phrase, it's fire, is a slang expression used to describe something that is exceptionally good, exciting, or trendy. It can refer to music, food, fashion, or even an event. When something is fire, it's so good that it's comparable to the intensity and energy of a fire. Slang can often be traced back to specific cultures or communities. The phrase, it's fire, has its roots in African American Vernacular English, AAVE, and was popularized through hip-hop music and culture. It's a testament to how dynamic and influential language can be, as it's now widely used across different groups and on social media. To get a better sense of how "it's fire" is used, let's look at some examples. Have you heard her new album? It's fire. I just tried the taco from the new restaurant, and it's fire. You watched the season finale? Man, it's fire. In each of these sentences, it's fire indicates that whatever is being discussed is of high quality and excites the speaker. You might be wondering, can I use "it's fire" in any context? It's best used in informal situations with friends or in social media posts. For example, when you taste a dish that's delicious, you can say, "This is fire." After seeing a compelling movie, you might text your friend, "Just saw the new superhero movie. It's fire." Remember, slang is casual, so it wouldn't be appropriate in formal contexts like job interviews or official meetings. And there you have it. You're now ready to add "it's fire" to your English vocabulary. Use it to describe something that's incredibly good and get ready to sound like a native. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Stay tuned for more English language tips, and keep practicing.